Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can initiate resonance in Heartopia game, My Little Pony update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, you'll be able to join the Harmony Tree Awakening. I'm going to go to the update and select the Harmony Tree Awakening. And here you will be able to initiate resonance. Just click on that and then ask your friend to tap on this icon, this sparkle icon. And if the element is different, you will unlock new elements, and then you will be able to use the elements to water the tree of harmony. And unfortunately, the element is same. My element and this player's element is same, so I didn't get rewards. It's fine, we can find another players. And actually, you're not only able to do the resonance with your friend, you can do it with the other players which are not your friends. And then I'm going to look for another player guys, and I hope that the element is different so I can unlock new elements and get rewards. Alright. Once again, if you want to initiate the resonance, just go to the little pony update and then select the initiate resonance. Okay, and ask the player to tap on this sparkle icon. I don't know what it is called, but as soon as they tap on the icon, the resonance will be started. And it has cool effect. And yeah, again, the element is same, so I didn't get rewards, but that's okay. Okay guys, and that's how you can initiate resonance in Heartopia game, My Little Pony update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!